Alright, ghouls and goblins, get ready for a spook-tacular adventure, because Halloween is just around the corner. Let's dive into a whirlwind of fun activities that you and your family can enjoy leading up to the big day, and of course, on Halloween itself. From crafting creepy decorations to munching on deliciously scary treats, there's something for everyone. Let's get those jack-o'-lanterns glowing and those costumes ready. Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts. Are you ready to make this Halloween the best one yet? From carving pumpkins to going on ghost hunts, we've got a cauldron full of fun activities for you and your family. So, grab your witch's hat and let's dive into a spellbinding adventure. Welcome to our Halloween extravaganza. Whether you're a fan of all things spooky or just love a good excuse to dress up and eat candy, we've got you covered. Let's explore some bewitching activities that will keep the Halloween spirit alive all month long. 1. Pumpkin carving and decorating. What's Halloween without some pumpkin fun? Gather the family and head to a pumpkin patch to pick out the perfect pumpkins. Once you've got your gourds, it's time to get creative. Classic jack-o'-lanterns. Carve out spooky or silly faces on your pumpkins. Don't forget to save the seeds for roasting. Pumpkin painting. For a mess-free alternative, break out the paints and markers to decorate your pumpkins. Go wild with colors and designs. Pumpkin contests. Host a friendly pumpkin carving contest with your neighbors. Winner gets extra candy. 2. Halloween crafts. Get those creative juices flowing with some DIY Halloween crafts. These projects are perfect for all ages and will add a festive touch to your home. Spooky spiders. Make spiders using pipe cleaners and pom-poms. Hang them around the house to give everyone a fright. Paper ghosts. Create cute ghost decorations using tissues and string. Perfect for hanging in doorways. Monster masks. Design and decorate your own monster masks using construction paper, markers, and glitter. Have a monster parade around the house. 3. Haunted house decorating. Turn your home into a haunted haven with some eerie decorations. Get the whole family involved in transforming your space into a spooky spectacle. Creepy cobwebs. Stretch fake cobwebs across doorways and furniture. Add plastic spiders for extra creepiness. Eerie lighting. Use black lights, flickering candles, and string lights to create a haunting atmosphere. Graveyard scene. Set up a mini graveyard in your yard with tombstones, skeletons, and fog machines. 4. Halloween treats and snacks. No Halloween is complete without some deliciously spooky treats. Get the family together in the kitchen to whip up these ghoulish goodies. Witch's brew. Make a bubbling punch using green or orange soda, ice cream, and gummy worms. Serve in a cauldron for extra fun. Monster cupcakes. Bake and decorate cupcakes to look like monsters, complete with candy eyes and icing fangs. Mummy dogs. Wrap hot dogs in crescent roll dough to look like mummies. Bake and serve with ketchup blood. 5. Spooky storytelling. Gather around for some spine-tingling storytelling. Dim the lights, grab some flashlights, and let the spooky tales begin. Classic ghost stories. Share classic ghost stories like The Headless Horseman or The Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Family creations. Encourage family members to create their own spooky stories and share them with everyone. Scary sound effects. Use sound effects like creaking doors and howling winds to enhance the storytelling experience. 6. Halloween games and activities. Keep the fun going with some Halloween-themed games and activities that the whole family will enjoy. Pumpkin hunt. Hide mini pumpkins around the house or yard for a fun scavenger hunt. Mummy wrap. Use toilet paper to wrap family members like mummies. The fastest wrapper wins. Apple bobbing. Fill a tub with water and apples for a classic apple bobbing game. No hands allowed. 7. Costume parade and contest. Show off your Halloween costumes with a family parade and contest. Get everyone dressed up and strut your stuff. Family themes. Choose a family costume theme like superheroes, classic monsters, or favorite TV characters. Photo shoot. Set up a spooky backdrop and have a Halloween photo shoot. Share the photos with friends and family. Prizes. Award prizes for the best costumes like scariest, funniest, and most creative. 8. Haunted house tour. Visit a local haunted house for some spine-chilling fun. Just remember to hold on to each other tightly. You never know what's lurking around the corner. 9. Halloween movie marathon. Have a Halloween movie marathon with family favorites like Hocus Pocus, The Nightmare Before Christmas, and Casper. Don't forget the popcorn and spooky snacks. 10. Costume crafting. Get crafty and create your own Halloween costumes. Whether you're going for a classic witch, a superhero, or a funny pun costume, making costumes together is a fun and bonding activity. 11. Halloween crafts. Get crafty with some Halloween-themed projects. Make ghost lanterns, mummy jars, and witch hats. These crafts are perfect for decorating your home and getting into the Halloween spirit. On Halloween Day, 12. Trick-or-treating. On Halloween night, head out for some classic trick-or-treating. Make sure to have your candy bags ready and your best trick-or-treat shout prepared. And remember, safety first. Stick to well-lit areas and check your candy before indulging. 13. Halloween party. Host a Halloween party for friends and family. Set up games like bobbing for apples, mummy wrap races, and a costume contest. Play some spooky music and enjoy Halloween-themed snacks and drinks. 14. Scavenger hunt. Organize a Halloween scavenger hunt. Hide spooky clues and treats around your home or yard and let the adventure begin. It's a fun way to keep the excitement going all night long. 15. Storytelling. Gather around and share spooky stories by the fire. From classic ghost tales to family legends, storytelling is a great way to end the night on a spine-chilling note. And there you have it, folks, a Halloween filled with fun, fright, and fantastic activities for the whole family. Whether you're carving pumpkins, crafting costumes, or sharing ghost stories, remember to enjoy the spooky season to the fullest. Thanks for joining me on this Halloween adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Halloween enthusiasts. Until next time, stay spooky and have a fang-tastic Halloween. And thank you for watching.